Hey guys, welcome back to me, to XX Zombie Killer XX, and I'm still trying to figure out how to change my channel name. I'm using my iPad to record and post. I still haven't gotten a variation code yet. Anyways, so here's my new video. I've recently made so hard. This, which is can you see it? Can you see it? Yep. This is weird. Okay. Scooting back one more time. Good? Good? Okay. Hope that case doesn't fall down. It's a Lego butterfly knife, from which you can see is Team Fortress 2. Here's what the knife looks like when it's open. Okay. When I first started the video, that's what it looked like closed. Get out of here. Sorry. Try to figure out to do everything I can. Okay? If you want more uploads and stuff, more videos, just comment down below and leave a like and subscribe. Please, I got no subscribers. Okay, so that's all. If you want me to teach you how to build something like this, just ask. So yeah, that's all to it. So bye.